Hello, Realtor Partners. I wanted to share 3 points of value with you to help explain why FHA and VA loans are now switching to be a little bit more competitive than maybe a conventional program, and also how to sell those programs to help your buyers win contracts. So the first thing, let's talk interest rates. As of today, we have rates that are in the very low 6% range for FHA and VA loans, as opposed to conventional loans, which are 6.88% to maybe 7.25% on a national average. So that means the first point of value is affordability. Monthly payment's going to be better for our clients if they want to go FHA or VA. So the next thing is that if you have a client that is putting 5% or less down, affordability is going to be a lot better on monthly payment if we can go FHA or VA. And to be honest with you, most Americans do. Not everybody puts 20% down. So we can bust that myth that you don't have to put 20% down, also help them get a better monthly payment. The next thing I wanted to share with you is that you can couple that with a temporary buy down program. So we have a program where in the first year, they can get 2% below the market rate. So if rates are at say 6.125 for the first year, we can get them as low as 4.125. Now, where this wins out for both the buyer and the seller is on a temporary buy down program. We can help the seller out by making sure they net more on the sale. And a lot of sellers, 1 out of 3 in Ohio, are having to do pricing reductions. Well, if they can give us a 2% seller credit towards buying the rate down as opposed to doing a price reduction, the seller wins. And of course, our buyer wins by having a more affordable house payment. They get more bang for their buck. We explode their purchase power. So it's a sure way to win. The next thing I wanted to share with you is that use your lender, leverage your lender when you're actually making an offer. If you work with me, you know I love selling the deal through the acceptance of the offer. And we can troubleshoot with the listing side and say, hey, listen, we're going to offer more money with an FHA loan. It's a better deal for my client. We can also make sure that you win. And let's talk through any appraisal concerns, because let's be honest, it's really the only thing that is a hiccup if it comes to whether or not the seller will go with FHA. But let's talk through that with the seller, explore those concerns with them, and let them know that we've got a solid deal that works for everybody. So that's a practical tool I wanted to let you know that FHA might be a better way to go as far as affordability, house payment. We can even make it work for the seller. So great tool for you to use this week to help us win contracts. Hope you have a phenomenal week, and I will talk to you soon.